everyone, and welcome to Georgia Peach with an Alabama twist. I hope everyone is enjoying their Monday afternoon. I know I am. It's beautiful outside, and as you know, I love that warm weather, and I am counting down to summertime. We got storms that are supposed to be on the way here shortly, so I'm trying to get dinner ready for the family. I thought I had my camera on a while ago, guys, and this is the fun of filming on your own. I did not. So I filmed me chopping the onions and putting everything in the pot. Well, not everything. So I've already got my 2 pounds of ground beef, half of the onion that I chopped up. I started off with 2 tablespoons of butter, let that melt. I put my onions in, let that cook for a good couple of minutes, and then I added in my 2 pounds of ground beef. So that's where we're at right now, and I will show you guys where we're at. I literally just looked and I'm like, I'm glad I caught it now, because if not, that would have been bad. So I am making taco soup, but this time I'm doing it a little bit different, adding a little bit different things than what I did with the casserole. And I will be telling you the different things I'm going to do with this week. So you can actually put this on different things to eat to make it taste really good. Okay guys, I have drained the meat and the onions, and we are going to add that back into the pot. Now to this, we're going to turn it down on medium, and I am going to add 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, and then I have half a teaspoon of guys, please forgive me. It has been a long day today. Oh my gosh, it has been a long day. So this is half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and oregano. And to that, I am going to add a cup of water. You can tell it is Monday. Oh my gosh. If there's a way I could have edited that out, I'm still learning. So y'all just get the bloopers and everything today. But that's how you know it's legit and it's real, you know? All right, so I'm gonna let this simmer here on the stove for a few minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and add my frozen corn. So I did probably half of that bag, probably a little less than half that bag. Stir it in real good. Gosh, it already smells good. Then I'm going to use my restaurant style salsa. And you can use whatever kind you want. You can make this as hot as you want, as spicy as you want. I cook for my mom who cannot have spicy stuff, so I tend to keep it mild. And we're also going to add, of course, I just fixed the can where I can't get back into it. I'm getting all my bloopers today. Normally I do my shows on the weekends so that I can get everything prepared. But today I was like, you know what? I'm going home and cooking something really good. I want to share this recipe with everybody. So that was kidney beans that I drained, and these are the black beans that I drained. So this is going to be really good for you and have a lot of protein in it. And just get everything stirred in really good. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. All right, guys, I'm going to put the lid on this and let it simmer for about 30 minutes on medium heat. So as I was saying, there's different ways you can do this, that you can pair it up for dinner. One way is you can do instant mashed potatoes and follow the directions on the pack, except when you're doing that, make sure you use milk instead of water. And you can put that and it'll be like a loaded baked potato. You can also do what I'm doing tonight, which we're making a salad out of it, and I'll do that probably for lunch again tomorrow. And then tomorrow night I'll probably put it on the instant mashed potatoes and have it kind of like that. You can also do rice, put it over top of the rice. You can do chips, put it over top of the chips. That's why I love this, because you cannot go wrong no matter what you pair it with or how you pair it. So I never really liked spinach before. Everything's happening to me tonight. Great entertainment for you guys though. So yeah, I never liked spinach before. And then I met someone that on our first date prepared me spinach and chicken, and I fell in love with it. So after that, I mean, I love spinach. So I am literally going to get my spinach here. Yeah, I see my Coke in the background too tonight. I got my spinach here, and I am just pretty much breaking the ends off because I don't like that part. My mom will do hers, and she'll do hers on top of like a Caesar salad. We're just all different here. But I promise this will be so good. I cannot wait. And I'm glad I'm giving y'all entertainment. It has just been a Monday. And you know what? I don't want to hide anything from you guys. Mondays are Mondays. I don't usually work after school on Mondays, and today I did. And I don't know if that just threw me off a little bit. I did enjoy it. It was fun. You know, you've got the... It was a different grade level than what I'm used to today, so. All right. So I'm just gonna give this a quick little run through just to make it where it's not so big. I just looked at like the radar a while ago, and you can see the storms are starting to move into Alabama. Well, like I said, I'm so glad y'all got to see behind the scenes today, because like I said, it's entertainment for y'all while I'm sitting here preparing my dinner. So yeah, I'll be back as soon as it gets done. It's got a few more minutes for the beans to cook, and then we'll be ready for dinner. Okay guys, I just took it up, put it in there. I've got my spinach on the bottom, and so my mom was telling me the other day I needed to try to cook spinach. And I'm like, yeah, no. No. Not the same, different flavors, different smell, no, different textures. So I'm gonna put a little bit of sharp cheese and a little bit of mozzarella on top, because nothing's good unless you got cheese. Give it a good stir. And give it a good try here. Still a little hot. Definitely know what I'm having for lunch tomorrow. Really good, really good. And like I said, many different ways you can pair it up. And taco soup, superb. As always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you'll always know and not miss an episode. And I hope you enjoy my Monday. Have a great evening, everybody, and be blessed.